Okay, we have a Leadwell vertical machining center, model MCV 2200, serial number L2JH0280. This machine was new in 2008, and he is a big boy with 86.6 inches of X travel, 40 in the Y, and 31.4 in the Z. We're running right now. It's got a FANUC control. FANUC 0IMC0. The table size is 94.4 by 37.7. We run the X and now we're running the Y. You have telescopic weight covers on the X and Y. That's your Z. Machine has a 32 tool automatic side mounted tool changer, 50 taper spindle. Right now we're simulating a tool change. Okay. Box weighs. You can see the box weighs on the vertical. Doing a gear change. We're going to high or low?
This is a low range.
Low range. Low range.
That's 500.
500 RPM.
That's
1200 in the low. Machine's nice and quiet. We're doing a shift. Stopping, shifting, and starting. $4,000 RPM on a 50 taper spindle. Machine does go up to 6. Okay, thank you for watching our video.